My dear friends, we are going to learn today do while loop using the PHP. So in the previous class we have learned the while loop using the PHP. In this particular class we are going to learn the do while loop using the PHP. It is going to be very easy. So this video I'm going to prepare for the absolute beginners. So this video I'm going to make it just easy for you. So before I start showing you the do while loop, let us just recapitulate which we have done in the previous class about the while loop. So this is the basic syntax of the while loop. So I have declared the variable over here, that is $I, and the value has been initialized 1. Now I have given the condition over here. Thus, so condition is, so this particular set of code will execute until the value of I will be less than or equals to 10. Now once this condition will fail, that means if the value of I will be more than 10, then this setup command is not going to continue further. Now you can see what it is going to do actually. So exactly it is going to echo India, that is print India. Now after printing India, the value of I will be incremented, that is I will be I plus 1. That means value of I will be incremented every time. That means it will become 2, 3, 4. In this way it will increment. The first time it will be 1, and every time it will enter the loop and the value of I will be incremented. So it will going to print India 10 times. So let me show you here. You can see 10 times. Now I will just give a beer here, right? I want to get it to a new line. Beer. Now just see, and this is how it's going to print 10 times. Now let me see, is it going to print 10 times or more or less? So for that I will just write here $I, right? And this is how I'm going to concatenate this variable value. So this value is going to be print over here every time, and this is the concatenation sign. So after that it will be written India. So this will show us that exactly how many times, how many lines, and this India will be printed. That will be shown over here. Now see, right, 10 times. Now for better understanding I'll just make it do like this, so it will be like this. Just see, now 10 times it has been printed. Now let me show you the syntax of do while loop. So the while loop is considered as the entry control loop. So this is known as entry control loop, and the do while loop, that is considered as the exit control loop. Now let me show you the syntax. So first the do will be written over here. Now the while will be written at the last. So this is the exact syntax how you need to write the do while loop. So do while, the first it will be written do, right, and do will be followed by the set of instruction that is to be executed, right. This instruction will be executed, and after that the condition will be written, right. So this type of syntax is known as the exit control loop. So do while loop is a exit control loop. Why this is considered to be the exit control loop? Let me tell you that. You can see, so at the last while condition is written. So this condition is written inside the while at the last, not at the beginning. In case of while loop, this condition inside the while that has been written at the top, but in case of do while loop, this has been written at the last, right. So this condition will be written at the last. So do, that means this set of code will be written at least once. So let me just show you the output now. So nothing is changed over here, but what is the exact difference between writing the do while loop and the simple while loop? So I will show you over here. Just try to understand. Now here, so you can see the I value have been initialized to 1, right. So what does it mean? That so at the initial stage, without checking any condition, without checking the condition, this set of command is going to execute, right. Now this set of command will be executed over here at this place. The first time this set of command will be executed. Try to understand, okay? This set of command will be executed. Now what happened next? What happened next? Let me show you. Okay, here I'm going to show you. So this set of command has been executed once. Now this condition will be checked, right? Now you can see I value will be incremented, I value will become 2, right? That means this condition will satisfy. Again it is going to enter. In this way it is going to print all 10 lines, and once this will become 11, right? Once this will become 11, it will go out. Now what is the exact difference? To find out the exact difference, I will write over here, let's say 11. Now just see, we are going to see the exact difference between the while loop and the do while loop. Now if you see, this condition is not going to satisfy, right? So is I, the value of I, less than or equal to 10? No. So it has been initialized that the $I is 11. So this condition is going to fail, right? The value of I is not less than or equal to 10 because it has been initialized to 11. Now I'm going to execute this command. Now let me execute. Now you can see it has been written once. Now value of I, right? So value of I is 11. Now this condition is not going to satisfy still once this set of command has been executed. So this do has performed, right? Still you can see the value, this condition is not satisfied, but this set of code has been executed once, because this is not the entry control loop, this is exit control loop. Now I will just perform this with the while loop. Now this is the while loop, right? This is while loop, right? This is known as entry control loop. Now so as because over here you can see I've written the $I value is 11. Now in this this I'm going to execute over here, but this is in the while loop, not in do while loop. Now you can see nothing has been printed, nothing has been printed because this is while loop. So this is known as entry control loop. So this set of command is not going to execute. So this 2 line is not going to execute. Before execution of this set of code, the condition has been checked. So the condition returns false because the value of I is 11. 11 is not less than or equals to 10. So this condition fail. Once this condition fail, this set of command is not going to execute because this is entry control loop. Because at the time of entry, the condition has been checked, and if this condition once return false, this set of command is not going to execute. But in case of the do while loop, as I told you, the do while loop is considered as the exit control loop. That means at the exit this condition will be checked, not at the entry. So this set of command is going to execute at least once. In case of do while loop, the set of command, this set of 2 line is going to execute at least once because this is considered to be the exit control loop. So during the exit of the setup from loop, the condition is going to check. That is why at least once this setup code will be executed. You can see no condition has been checked at the initial level, so this set of command is going to execute. So this set of line will do the work, that is the I value has been initialized to 11. So 11 has been written over here, the variable value. After that India has been printed, and after that during the exit time the condition has been checked. Condition does not satisfy, so in the next time it is not going to enter the loop. This is known as exit control loop. So now I hope it is quite clear to you that what is the exact difference between the do while loop and the simple while loop. The while loop is considered to be the entry control loop, and do while loop is considered to be the exit control loop. At the time of exit the condition will be checked. That is why in any case once the code will be executed, the code will be executed once irrespective of any case. So you can see this, so this is not going to satisfy right? Still this set of code has been executed once in case of do while loop. So my dear friends, I hope this video is going to help you to understand how you can write the do while loop. So in the previous videos I have shown you the while loop, and also I have shown you the for loop, and many other videos I have prepared for you. So you can find those video link in the description of this video. I will give the video links, all the video links in the description. And in case if you have not seen my free videos of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you must have sound knowledge in the front-end designing portion where you need to learn the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I prepared a complete free website for you where there are prepared 40 video lectures where I have explained to you in detail about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you watch those videos, you can design amazing websites, amazing front-end design by yourself. So the link of that free website I will give in this video description. Find it from the video description. And you can also give exam in the online platform. So the online platform has been set for you. So just you go find the website, you will find the option for giving the online exam. Online exam you can give in the MCQ mode. So after giving the exam, you can also check your result status. The option is available over there. So if you like this video, consider clicking the like button. If you think this video is going to help other students, to share this to your friend. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you for watching the video till end. Goodbye for today.